Hi friends, Zoe, Linda here, and I am back with the second day of our spring cleaning tips series. Yesterday we spoke about updating your affiliate links so you can make sure that your affiliates are sending their people to the right pages on your website, the right sales pages and landing pages, web pages, whatever you're asking affiliates to send people to. And today I want to make sure that those pages are as optimized as they can be to for better conversions from referral traffic. So, day two, I want you to update the social proof on your sales pages, landing pages, and checkouts. So there's really nothing quite like a first impression. If somebody lands on your website from a recommendation, they may never have heard of your brand before. So this is the time to really harness this new visitor. And one really good way to do that, especially if they came from a referral, is to highlight who referred them in the first place. And one way of doing that is through social proof. So you can update elements on your sales pages, checkouts, and landing pages, like written and video testimonials, logos, or as seen on banners that you can see at the top of the slide here, screen grabs of social posts or DMs, or case studies. And you can update all of these to showcase either your most recognizable affiliates or affiliates who are bringing you like the most traffic, as well as the most transformational results. So you don't have to, it's not like one or the other. You can still showcase like your best testimonials, but this is just kind of rejigging what you have and seeing, okay, well, yeah, I'm getting a lot of actually, let me go to my example. So if you have a signature course and you get 1,000 website visitors a month to that page just from affiliates, but you only get 2 affiliate sales per month, maybe there's something that can be changed there. So when you look into your affiliate tracking, you can see that 500 of those visitors are coming from one affiliate. So this person is getting a lot of traffic to their site and they're sending a chunk of that traffic over to your site every month. But that affiliate also took your course and provided you with a great testimonial, but you haven't added it to the sales page yet. No judgment there, because I've definitely been there. I still have like a backlog of some amazing testimonials I haven't put on my website yet. So you decide, I'm going to add it to the sales page and I'm going to make sure it's one of the first testimonials people see, because I'm getting 500 people a month to my site just from this person. So I want to like bridge the gap between their website and mine by saying, hey, here's this person again. They recommend me again. And here's what they said about my course. You can also add it to the checkout page as like a final reminder that your affiliate like really recommends this course to people. So like just as they're about to check out and maybe they're having like, maybe they leave the tab open or they're having second thoughts, and then just like a reminder that like, oh yeah, this person did recommend it. I really trust what they say. It's just like another additional like check-in point to like remind them that they came from this referral. And once you've made those changes, maybe you start to see affiliate sales like gradually increase. Instead of getting 2 sales a month, you're getting 3, then from 3 to 5, then 5 to 10. And slowly but surely, you're generating more affiliate sales over time. And maybe you come back and you start to add like other testimonials from other affiliates, or you decide, you know what, I really want to like go all in on this affiliate. I want to create like a bespoke landing page for them, or I want to get a video testimonial from them. I also want to add their logo to the page. Yeah, like there's so many other things you can do to like build on top of that. But yes, okay, this is just an example to help you kind of visualize what this could look like in practice. But I do have an action step for you. So what I recommend that you do today is take a look at the pages your affiliates are sending people to, which you would have already looked at yesterday. If you have a lot of offers and a lot of funnels, just focus on one. This shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes or so. Okay, so you have a look at your sales page, your landing page, whatever it is you're focusing on affiliates sending people to. And just answer these questions. Are you currently showcasing testimonials and social proof from any of your affiliates? And just a reminder that this doesn't have to just be a testimonial. It can be It could be a written or video testimonial. It could be logos or as seen on banners, like maybe you've appeared on their podcast, and this will be like a nice reminder to visitors. Maybe you have like screen grabs of social posts, or you could have like case studies. So just bear those different ones in mind. So are you showcasing any social proof from your affiliates? Or can you update any of the elements that I just mentioned to better feature more recognizable affiliates? And can you also move testimonials to certain parts of the page that are most relevant? For example, I have a testimonial from someone that's like, if you're thinking about buying this course, just do it, something like that. And I put that on the checkout page because that's when someone is like actually maybe having a second doubt. And I thought that testimonial was really a really good fit for the checkout. Or you could have a testimonial that covers a specific hesitation, or a testimonial that covers a specific goal or solution. And maybe you have parts of your page that talk explicitly to those hesitations or to those goals, and you can put those testimonials at those points. That's just kind of a general copy tip, not specifically for affiliates, but that can really help. Also, you might need to gather some more testimonials from affiliates. So I really recommend spending time today. Maybe you just like message one affiliate and be like, hey, haven't had a testimonial from you yet. Can I get one from you and I can add it to my page? Or better yet, ask some of your favorite customers and clients who have like already given you some great testimonials to be affiliates, so that when they do send people to your page, they have like this amazing testimonial from them already there on the page. And it really helps kind of like optimize the page for more referral conversions. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what I mean. So on the Smart Passive Income website, one of the first things the first thing that they recommend on their resources page is Circle. And if you click through to this, you're going to see a picture of Pat Flynn right here. This is just on their homepage. And if you scroll further down, there's a testimonial from him further down the page. And I'm sure that Pat Flynn is one of Circle's biggest affiliates. I'm actually surprised he doesn't have a bespoke landing page. And but they have mentioned him a few times throughout the page, so that really helps. Like someone's like, oh yeah, okay, I remember I came from Pat, and he is on here, and he's obviously like partnered with them, and gives them a great testimonial. Another example is Amy Porterfield. She recommends Saatchi, and when you click through to Saatchi, you see kind of halfway down the page, there's like a section about testimonials from top creators and influencers, and Amy Porterfield's picture is like right in the middle. This does kind of like carousel through, but the default view is this one. They probably get a lot of clicks from Amy's website, same with Circle and SPI. So I think it really makes sense for them to feature her front and center. And then another example is actually from a testimonial from me to Megan Taylor's Strongly Brewed websites. I recommend this course to a lot of people. You might have noticed like earlier, I think it was this year or last year, I did like a sale or like a big promotion for Strongly Brewed websites. Pretty sure it was last year actually. I'm getting my years blurred up. And I think it makes a big difference, like me recommending the course and then landing on the page and actually seeing like, yes, okay, I've actually posted this. There's also a DM here where I messaged her about how her course was giving me course envy of my own courses. So I think just like even seeing my headshot, seeing that like I obviously like rate this course, I think it's great. I think that can like make quite a big difference when someone is thinking about purchasing. And then also just the fact that it's surrounded by all these other people. So I love that. And I also just wanted to mention that I mentioned a couple of times about bespoke landing pages. Actually, Amy Porterfield, there's a good example of her with Kajabi. And this is kind of what I mean by that. It's like a specific page for a specific affiliate, and it has like their testimonials, it has their headshots throughout the page. This is not the best example, but you kind of see what I mean. And this is something that I do have a training on in Affiliate Amplify, which kind of brings me back to what I'm about to say next. But my spring cleaning sale is coming up. So if you are interested in getting 50% off of everything that I have in my shop and 25% off all of my services, make sure you sign up to the spring cleaning sale waitlist. The sale starts next Monday, and if you join the waitlist, you're going to get access to the deals one day early. And the only reason I came back and mentioned this was because of Affiliate Amplify, which is my membership to help you continuously engage affiliates in your affiliate program. Every month I have basically like a mini training and a resource packet with templates, etc. And one of the months I did a training on bespoke landing pages. So if you're interested in anything to do with that, then Affiliate Amplify will be great to look at during the sale. It's 50% off the annual plan, so you'll get 12 months worth of affiliate engagement strategies for $60, and then you're locked in at that price. So every year it will be $60, no matter like how the price changes. And I also wanted to mention that if the sales pages and landing page tips were really helpful and you are gearing up for a launch sale or promotion in the spring or summer, then my Launch with Affiliates workshop also might be of interest to you. It's only going to be $25 over the sale. And like I said, if you sign up to the waitlist, which is this link here, you're going to get access to everything one day early, which is great if you need like a little bit of extra time to kind of decide on what's best fit for you. So I really hope that this was helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions about updating the testimonials on your sales pages, your landing pages, or your checkouts. And yeah, I will see you in the next video tomorrow.